Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are crucial for safely disassembling the laptop and preventing static damage to components. Start by powering off the MSI Modern 14 and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the screws located on the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws organized, as they can vary in size and length. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges, applying gentle pressure to avoid damaging the clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws that may have been missed. After removing the back cover, you will have access to the internal components. Before proceeding, it's essential to clean any dust or debris from the fans and heatsinks. Use compressed air to blow out dust, ensuring that the internal parts remain cool and functional. Next, locate the motherboard. You will see several connections and components attached to it, including the CPU and RAM. If you need to replace or repair any of these components, carefully disconnect the cables, noting their positions for reassembly. To remove the motherboard, you will need to unscrew it from the chassis. Keep track of the screws, as you will need them for reinstallation. Gently lift the motherboard from its position, being cautious not to damage any attached components. If you find that the motherboard has visible damage, such as burnt traces or broken solder joints, you may need professional assistance. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, helping you determine the best course of action for your repair needs. Once you have addressed any issues with the motherboard, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the motherboard back in its original position, ensuring all connections are secure. Reattach any screws you removed earlier, tightening them carefully to avoid stripping. Before placing the back cover, it's a good idea to test the laptop. Connect the power supply and turn it on to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out for professional help, as we can provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. No calls, no travel, we handle everything for you. If the laptop powers on successfully, proceed to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and snap it back into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them evenly to maintain the integrity of the laptop. Congratulations! You have successfully repaired the motherboard of your MSI Modern 14. If you need any parts or further assistance, remember that we can provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and no surprises. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.